When your stomach is upset, sipping on a hot cup of tea is a simple way to ease your symptoms. Still, the type of tea may make a big difference. In fact, certain varieties have been shown to treat issues like nausea, diarrhea, and vomiting. Here are 9 teas to soothe an upset stomach. 1. Green tea. Green tea has been heavily researched for its many potential health benefits. It was historically used as a natural remedy for diarrhea and infection from Helicobacter pylori, a strain of bacteria that can cause stomach pain, nausea, and bloating. It may relieve other stomach issues as well. For example, one study in 42 people noted that green tea significantly reduced the frequency and severity of diarrhea caused by radiation therapy. In animal studies, green tea and its components have also been shown to treat stomach ulcers, which can cause issues like pain, gas, and indigestion. Keep in mind that it's best to stick to 1 to 2 cups 240 to 475 milliliters per day, as, ironically, excessive intake is linked to side effects like nausea and stomach upset due to its high caffeine content. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is made by boiling ginger root in water. This root may be incredibly beneficial for digestive issues like nausea and vomiting. According to one review, ginger helped prevent morning sickness in pregnant women, as well as nausea and vomiting induced by chemotherapy. Another review noted that ginger can reduce gas, bloating, cramps, and indigestion while also supporting bowel regularity. Although most of these studies looked at high-dose ginger supplements, ginger tea may provide many of the same benefits. To make it, grate a knob of peeled ginger and steep it in boiling water for 10 to 20 minutes. Strain and enjoy alone or with a bit of lemon, honey, or cayenne pepper. 3. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is a common choice when tummy troubles start to strike. Animal studies reveal that peppermint can relax intestinal muscles and help relieve pain. Furthermore, a review of 14 studies in 1,927 people suggested that peppermint oil reduced the duration, frequency, and severity of stomach pain in children. This oil has even been shown to prevent chemotherapy-related nausea and vomiting. Some studies indicate that simply smelling peppermint oil helps prevent nausea and vomiting. Although these studies focus on the oil rather than the tea itself, peppermint tea may provide similar benefits. You can buy this tea at grocery stores or make your own by steeping crushed peppermint leaves in hot water for 7 to 12 minutes. 4. Black tea. Black tea boasts a set of health benefits similar to that of green tea, especially for soothing an upset stomach. It may be especially effective at treating diarrhea. In fact, in a study in 120 children, taking a black tea tablet helped improve the volume, frequency, and consistency of bowel movements. A 27-day study noted that giving black tea extract to piglets infected with E. coli reduced the prevalence of diarrhea by 20%. While most research is on supplements, the tea itself may still help settle stomach problems. Yet, it's best to limit your intake to 1 to 2 cups 240 to 475 milliliters per day, as excessive amounts of its caffeine may cause stomach upset. 5. Fennel tea. Fennel is a plant in the carrot family with a burst of licorice-like flavor. Tea from this flowering plant is commonly used to treat a variety of ailments, including stomach aches, constipation, gas, and diarrhea. In a study in 80 women, taking a fennel supplement for several days before and during menstruation decreased symptoms like nausea. A test tube study also found that fennel extract blocked the growth of several strains of bacteria, such as harmful E. coli. Another study in 159 people revealed that fennel tea promoted digestive regularity, as well as gut recovery after surgery. Try making fennel tea at home by pouring 1 cup 240 milliliters of hot water over 1 teaspoon 2 grams of dried fennel seeds. You can otherwise steep the roots or leaves of the fennel plant in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes before straining. 6. Licorice tea. Licorice is famous for its distinctly sweet, slightly bitter flavor. Many forms of traditional medicine have utilized this legume to settle stomach upset. Multiple studies indicate that licorice helps heal stomach ulcers, which can trigger symptoms like stomach pain, nausea, and indigestion, a condition that causes stomach discomfort and heartburn. Notably, a month-long study in 54 people showed that taking 75 mg of licorice extract twice daily significantly decreased indigestion. Still, additional research is needed on licorice tea specifically. This tea can be purchased at many supermarkets, as well as online. It's often combined with other ingredients in herbal tea blends. Keep in mind that licorice root is linked to several side effects and can be dangerous in high amounts. Therefore, stick to 1 cup 240 ml of licorice tea per day and consult your healthcare provider if you have any medical conditions. 7. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is light, flavorful, and often considered one of the most soothing types of tea. It's often used to relax your digestive muscles and treat issues like gas, indigestion, motion sickness, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. In a study in 65 women, taking 500 mg of chamomile extract twice daily reduced the frequency of vomiting caused by chemotherapy, compared with a control group. A study in rats also found that chamomile extract prevented diarrhea. While these studies tested high amounts of chamomile extract, the tea made from these daisy-like flowers may also relieve stomach problems. To make it, steep a pre-made tea bag or 1 tablespoon 2 grams of dried chamomile leaves in 1 cup 237 ml of hot water for 5 minutes. 8. Holy basil tea. Also known as tulsi, holy basil is a powerful herb long revered for its medicinal properties. Although not as common as other teas, it's a great option to soothe an upset stomach. Multiple animal studies have determined that holy basil protects against stomach ulcers, which can cause a wide range of symptoms, including stomach pain, heartburn, and nausea. In fact, in one animal study, holy basil reduced the incidence of stomach ulcers and completely healed existing ulcers within 20 days of treatment. Still, more studies are needed. Holy basil tea bags can be found at many health stores, as well as online. You can also use dried holy basil powder to brew a fresh cup yourself. 9. Spearmint tea. Like peppermint, spearmint may help relieve digestive distress. It boasts a compound called carvone, which helps reduce muscle contractions in your digestive tract. In an 8-week study, 32 people with irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) were given a product containing spearmint, coriander, and lemon balm alongside diarrhea or constipation medication. Those taking the spearmint product reported significantly less stomach pain, discomfort, and bloating than those in the control group. However, the supplement contained multiple ingredients, not just spearmint. Also, a test tube study noted that this mint blocked the growth of several bacteria strains that may contribute to foodborne illness and tummy troubles. Still, more human research is needed. Spearmint tea is easy to make at home. Simply bring 1 cup 240 ml of water to a boil, remove it from heat, and add a handful of spearmint leaves. Steep for 5 minutes, then strain and serve. If you like our video, please like or subscribe our YouTube channel.